Every minute, thousands of machines move with perfect precision, orchestrating a symphony of advanced manufacturing. Robots build robots, while autonomous vehicles seamlessly navigate the complex pathways, delivering vital components with unwavering efficiency and perfect timing. Artificial intelligence watches every process, ensuring flawless execution from initial design to final assembly. Millions of batteries begin their journey, meticulously crafted to power the future of transportation and sustainable energy. This transformation is truly revolutionary. This isn't just another factory. It's one of the most advanced manufacturing systems ever built, a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. The sheer scale of operation forces us to reconsider what's possible in manufacturing. It challenges our perceptions of efficiency and precision. Building millions of electric vehicles requires something humanity has never attempted before: a new paradigm in industrial production. A factory operating at a scale closer to a city than a traditional manufacturing plant is now essential. The world needs electric vehicles, advanced batteries, intelligent robots, and sophisticated AI. This immense challenge necessitated a bold vision, constructing a new kind of factory, one capable of unprecedented output and integrated intelligence. Choosing the optimal location for such a colossal undertaking involved meticulous analysis of numerous critical factors. Logistics, power sources, water access, railway networks, and a skilled workforce were paramount considerations. Each played a crucial role. The selected sites offered unparalleled access to essential resources and efficient distribution channels, vital for a factory of this unprecedented scale. A gigafactory isn't designed like a traditional manufacturing plant. It's conceived as a colossal electronic circuit board. Efficiency is paramount. Every unnecessary meter cost millions. Engineers optimized every production route. This meticulous planning ensures just as chip designers optimize electrical circuits, our engineers meticulously refined every pathway. This design philosophy underpins the entire operation. Just as chip designers optimize electrical circuits, our engineers meticulously refined every pathway. This design philosophy, building this monumental structure required an unparalleled feat of engineering and coordination. The sheer scale was truly awe-inspiring.
Foundations for such a massive complex demand incredible strength and precision. This groundwork supports the future of manufacturing innovation.
Thousands of cubic meters of concrete formed the bedrock of this future-defining facility. Every pour was meticulously planned and executed. The steel skeleton rose like a futuristic titan, a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. It reached for the sky. On some days, over 5,000 skilled workers toiled simultaneously, a monumental human effort. Their dedication built this vision. More than 10,000 robots operate around the clock, repeating movements with sub-millimeter precision. They are the backbone of this factory. These robotic armies perform countless tasks, from welding intricate parts to lifting immense loads, tirelessly ensuring continuous production flow.
Each robot is a master of its assigned task, contributing to an ecosystem of automation that redefines manufacturing efficiency and quality standards.
From meticulous inspection to precise packaging, these tireless machines handle every stage, ensuring flawless products reach their intended destinations. This synchronized army of automation is the engine driving our vision, pushing the boundaries of what mass production can truly achieve. The Gigapress, a colossal aluminum casting machine, represents a monumental leap in manufacturing technology. It's truly transformative. Before, assembling a vehicle chassis required 70 separate parts. Now, this single machine creates one unified structure.
This innovation dramatically reduces complexity, weight, and production time, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive engineering.
The Gigapress not only streamlines production, but also enhances structural integrity and safety, setting new industry benchmarks for efficiency. Witnessing this colossal machine in action is truly mesmerizing. A powerful display of industrial might and groundbreaking engineering innovation. At the heart of every electric vehicle lies the battery, a complex marvel of chemistry and engineering. This is where the magic truly begins. From raw lithium, a precise mixing process creates the fundamental components. Every step is controlled with absolute scientific rigor.
The coated materials then undergo a meticulous drying phase, preparing them for the next critical stages of battery cell formation. Precision calendaring compresses these materials, achieving the perfect density and thickness essential for optimal energy storage and discharge. High-precision lasers then cut the electrodes, shaping them into the exact dimensions required for individual battery cells with micrometric accuracy. Cell assembly occurs in a meticulously controlled environment,
where robotic arms flawlessly combine components to form the core of the battery. The delicate process of electrolyte injection, performed in vacuum chambers, activates the electrochemical properties crucial for power generation. Next, the formation process, a critical initial charge and discharge cycle, awakens each cell's full energy potential and stability. Every single cell undergoes rigorous testing, utilizing advanced lasers and AI vision systems to guarantee flawless performance and longevity. Thousands of sensors stream data every second, creating a continuous digital pulse. This real-time information fuels our AI systems.
This allows artificial intelligence to detect problems long before humans can see them, preventing issues before they even arise.
AI monitors every vibration, every temperature fluctuation, and every laser measurement. Nothing escapes its vigilant digital eye. Sophisticated algorithms process terabytes of information, learning and adapting continuously. The factory truly becomes an intelligent entity. This intricate network of intelligence ensures peak performance, preventing downtime and optimizing every single production parameter autonomously. Automated logistics is the lifeblood of this Gigafactory, ensuring a constant, uninterrupted flow of materials. It's a marvel of coordination. Hundreds of AGVs, autonomous forklifts, and robotic cranes operate seamlessly, navigating the vast complex without human guidance or error. The entire material handling process is orchestrated by intelligent systems, eliminating human error and vastly increasing throughput capacity.
From receiving raw materials to dispatching finished products, every item is tracked and moved with unparalleled precision and speed.
This fully automated ecosystem ensures that every component is exactly where it needs to be, precisely when it's required for production. Quality control here is not merely a process, it's an obsession, driven by advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. Perfection is the goal. Laser scanners, X-ray imaging, and ultrasonic sensors meticulously examine every product, ensuring structural integrity and flawless functionality before shipment. Our advanced vision AI systems can identify imperfections at a microscopic level, far beyond human capability or perception. Even the tiniest deviation, measured in microns, is instantly detected. Our standards are non-negotiable. This relentless pursuit of perfection guarantees that only the highest quality products leave our facility. Our commitment is unwavering. This Gigafactory consumes immense amounts of electricity, yet it is also a powerful generator of clean, sustainable energy. We are self-sufficient. Vast solar arrays on the rooftops capture sunlight, while colossal battery storage systems store surplus energy for later use. An intelligent smart grid constantly balances energy demands with supply, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency at every single moment. This integration of renewable energy sources and smart management makes the Gigafactory a beacon of sustainable industrial practice and innovation. The factory is no longer just producing products, it's learning how to improve itself, evolving with every cycle. This is true intelligence. Through predictive maintenance, AI anticipates potential failures, scheduling proactive interventions and preventing costly downtime. Efficiency is maximized. This self-learning factory continuously refines its processes, adapting to new challenges and optimizing for even greater output and quality. Humans work alongside AI and robots, leveraging their unique strengths to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation together.
Every electric vehicle, every advanced battery, and every intricate robot begins its existence within places like factories are no longer just where products are made. They are becoming intelligent systems that actively manufacture the future itself.
This evolution marks a new era in manufacturing, where efficiency, sustainability, and continuous improvement are seamlessly integrated into production. The boundless potential of these smart factories promises to revolutionize industries globally, pushing the boundaries of what is technologically feasible. This is only the beginning of a profound transformation, as these intelligent systems continue to learn, adapt, and innovate daily. The future of manufacturing is not merely automated, it is intelligently interconnected, responding dynamically to global demands and challenges. This convergence of robotics, AI, and sustainable energy creates an unmatched ecosystem for advanced, responsible industrial production. The strategic placement of these facilities ensures optimized supply chains, reducing environmental impact and enhancing global distribution networks. Every design choice reflects a commitment to ultimate efficiency, ensuring that resources are utilized optimally and waste is minimized constantly. The monumental construction phase itself was a testament to engineering excellence, transforming vast landscapes into hubs of future innovation. Laying the groundwork for such an ambitious project demanded immense precision and unwavering commitment from thousands of dedicated workers. The robotic workforce, a marvel of synchronized engineering, performs tasks with accuracy far beyond human capabilities, ensuring these tireless machines exemplify the pinnacle of automation, handling everything from delicate assembly to heavy lifting with effortless grace and power. The revolutionary Gigapress condenses complex assemblies into single, massive castings, dramatically simplifying production and enhancing structural integrity significantly. This engineering marvel reduces material waste and speeds up the manufacturing process, setting new standards for efficiency and sustainable production.
The meticulous process of battery production, from raw materials to finished cells, showcases an intricate dance of chemistry and advanced engineering.
Each coating is applied with robotic precision in pristine clean rooms, guaranteeing the highest quality and performance standards. Laser cutting technology ensures every electrode is perfectly shaped, a critical step for maximizing energy density and battery longevity. The assembly of individual battery cells is a testament to automated precision, where every component fits flawlessly into its designated place. Post-assembly, each battery undergoes rigorous multi-stage testing, ensuring that only the most reliable and highest-performing cells move forward.
Artificial intelligence, the central nervous system, orchestrates every operation. From material flow to final inspection. Through thousands of embedded sensors, AI monitors every parameter, instantly detecting anomalies and proactively preventing potential disruptions or failures. The immense computational power of our data centers fuels this intelligence, processing vast datasets to optimize every aspect of production continuously. Automated logistics ensures materials flow seamlessly, precisely timed and perfectly routed, eliminating bottlenecks and maximizing the entire system's throughput. From storage to assembly, every movement is choreographed by AI, creating a flawless, continuous, and highly responsive supply chain operation. Our rigorous quality control, driven by advanced AI vision, laser, and X-ray systems, guarantees every product meets the highest global standards. This multi-layered inspection process ensures absolute integrity, detecting internal flaws that would otherwise remain hidden from traditional checks. The Gigafactory is a net energy producer, with vast solar arrays and intelligent storage systems minimizing its environmental footprint significantly. Megapacks store excess renewable energy, ensuring a stable, sustainable power supply that supports both factory operations and external grids. The integrated smart grid, managed by AI, dynamically optimizes energy distribution, making the factory a model for future sustainable industrial complexes. The factory is transforming. It's no longer just producing products. It is actively learning, adapting, and improving itself every single day. This digital twin technology allows for continuous optimization and predictive maintenance, ensuring peak performance and minimizing any. This self-learning factory continuously refines its processes, adapting to new challenges and optimizing for even greater output and quality autonomously. This remarkable fusion of human ingenuity, robotic precision, and artificial intelligence is truly shaping the future of global manufacturing. Factories are becoming intelligent systems that manufacture the future itself, and this may only be the beginning. Thank you for watching Future Brain Tech.